Hello friends, I am Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming language. In today's video, we are going to learn Java program to create and display a singly linked list. Okay, first of all, I will tell what is meant by linked list. Linked list is a part of the collection framework present in Java. Utility package. This class is an implementation of the linked list data structure, which is a linear data structure where the elements are not stored in contiguous locations and every element is a separate object with a data part and address part. Okay. There are two types of linked list, singly linked list and doubly linked list. I have shown in this figure single linked list. Okay, the single linked list is a linear data structure in which each element of the list contains a pointer which point to the next element in the list. Each element in the single linked list is called a node. Each node has two components, data and pointer to the pointer next to which points to the next node. Okay, in the list. The first node of the list is called a head. Now see here. And the last node, see here, last node of the list is called a tail. The last node of the list contains a pointer to the null. Last node is null. Okay. Each node in the list can be accessed linearly by traversing through the list from head to tail. Okay. In this example, node 1 is the head of the list and node 3 is the tail of the list. Each node is connected in such a way that node 1 is pointing to the node 2, which in turn pointing to node 3. Okay. And node 2 is pointing to the null as it is the last node of the list. Okay. Here info means data. Okay. There are 3 nodes in this diagram. In this representation of the linked list, each item in the linked list is the node. Each node has two part. Okay, data and link. The first part stores the data and second part has a reference or pointer or address of the next node in the linked list. This arrangement is necessary as the data in linked list is stored in non-contiguous location unlike arrays. The head of the linked list is a pointer that contains the address of the first element. Linked list. The last node in linked list is a tail. Okay. As shown in this figure, the address part of the last node in the linked list is set to null, indicating the end of the linked list. Okay. Now I will demonstrate the program. Now look at, first of all I will create class linked list in that create an object of node class represent the head of the linked list. Node head, then semicolon, then static inner class, static class node, in that integer value, then semicolon, then connect each node to next node next, then semicolon, then node of integer d, in that value is equal to d, semicolon, then next is equal to null. Then I will create main method, public static void main in bracket string args, in that I will create an object of linked list is equal to linked list is equal to new linked list then semicolon, then assign values to each linked list node. Linked list is equal to new node in bracket first, then semicolon, then node second is equal to new node in bracket second, then semicolon, then third node third is equal to new node in bracket third, then semicolon. In this condition, first node connected to the next and second node connected to the third. Then Connect each node of linked list to the next node. Linked list dot head dot next is equal to second and semicolon, then second dot next is equal to third, then semicolon. Then I am printing message system dot out dot print ln in bracket singly linked list, then semicolon. Then next condition, file, in that linked list dot head is not equal to null. In this condition, repeatedly execute a target statement as long as a given condition is true. Okay. In that, I am printing message system dot out dot print in bracket linked list dot head dot value plus space here, then semicolon. Then linked list dot head is equal to linked list dot head dot next, then semicolon. We have implemented the singly linked list in Java. Here the linked list consists of 3 nodes. Each node consists of value and next. The value variable represents the value of the node and the next represents the link to the next node. Now we will run this program and check output. One mistake here. Linked list dot head is equal to new node. Okay. Now look at singly linked list. There are 3 nodes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here we can take multiple nodes. Here I will take 3 nodes. Okay. I hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in another video. Thank you very much.